To adjust date and time settings on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and then we'll be able to find the system and update. Enter date and time, and then there's all of the settings that we need. First thing is time format, which allows you to switch between 12 hours clock or 24 hours clock. You can then use the time automatically or disable it to adjust the date as well as the time manually. In this case, I would recommend to put it on automatic, as turning it off may cause some synchronization issues. You won't be able to access some apps or even a website. Then there's set time zone automatically. It's the same thing. You can adjust your time zone manually, but it may cause some synchronization issues. Lastly, there's dual clock. If you have a clock widget on your home screen and activate this option, you can select the second clock from different time zone, and then both of those should be visible after a moment of refresh. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.